Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Lyft promo code. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on a Lyft application on my phone and this is how it looks like once you open the app. Right here, if you don't have your location turned on, you're going to find this message saying update location services. Lyft needs your exact location to find nearby rides. So there's two options right here. Turn on your precise location or you can enter a pickup location. Right here in the top left corner, you're gonna find this icon. If you click on it, right here you're gonna find a lot of options. You're gonna find your profile at the top. If you want to view your profile, click on view profile and right here you can see your profile. You're gonna also find your account settings right here, your info, your business profile, family, my orders, and linked account. If you go back, right here, you're gonna find notifications, free rides, ride history, payments, rewards, gift cards, donates, help, and settings. And also the option if you want to drive with Lyft. So basically, guys, if you want to use a Lyft promo code, go ahead and click on rewards. And then right here, the first option you're going to find is add a promo code. If you click on it, right here, you need to type your promo code and then click on done and it will be added. You're going to also find right here some loyalty rewards like Delta Sky Miles, Hilton Honors, Alaska Managed Plan, Built Rewards, and there is also send a ride credit or free rides. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.